Imagine a village where hundreds of young women are ready for marriage, but there are hardly any men. Sounds unbelievable, right? But this is not a fictional story. This is a real village that exists today, where being single isn't a choice for many girls. It's a harsh reality. Welcome to the village of Noiva do Cordeiro in Brazil, the only place in the world where women are desperately looking for life partners. Noiva do Cordeiro is a small, peaceful village located in the southeastern part of Brazil. It's home to around 600 people. But here's the surprising part. Nearly 400 of them are single women, most of them young, independent, and hardworking. There are barely 15 to 20 men in the entire village, and many of them are either married or too old. So what happened here? Why are there so few men? The history of Noiva do Cordeiro goes back over 100 years. It was originally founded by a woman named Maria Senhorinha de Lima, who was shunned by society for leaving a forced marriage. Over time, the village became a haven for women escaping oppression and slowly turned into a female-dominated society. Many of the men who marry into the village eventually leave to work in nearby cities, while the women stay behind to take care of farming, education, and community development. Life in this village is unlike anywhere else. The women here are highly self-sufficient. They run businesses, take care of the land, make decisions together, and live in harmony. But there's just one problem. They want families, and there are no eligible bachelors in sight. Marriage here isn't just about love, it's about stability, companionship, and future generations. Most of the girls dream of marrying someone who will stay and settle in the village, but men from outside often hesitate. Many don't want to live in a women-led society. Others are afraid of being outnumbered. This has made finding a life partner incredibly difficult for the women of Noiva do Cordeiro. In 2014, the village made headlines worldwide when some women publicly invited single men to come and visit the village. It was a lighthearted invitation, but it reflected a deep truth. These women wanted love, marriage, and a complete family life. Today, many of them still wait, with hope in their hearts. So what does the story of Noiva do Cordeiro tell us? It shows that love, belonging, and companionship are universal desires, no matter how far you are or how different your village may be. Who knows? Maybe somewhere out there, this little village in Brazil holds the key to someone's heart. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing human stories from around the world.